Now, Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Yeah, a lot of clouds all day today. So many people kept calling and asking, hey, is it gonna rain or are we just gonna deal with the cloud cover? Yeah, we just dealt with the clouds for majority of the day. Take a look at today in review. Tons of clouds all across the South Plains, but you know what? This is a result of a cold front that came through the South Plains, dropping those temperatures down. So if we're gonna have the clouds, might as well have some mild temperatures to go right along with it, and we sure did. But we could be dealing with potential showers and thunderstorms over in New Mexico. We've been dealing with those over the past several hours. They continue to have a southerly move as they go further off towards the south, pushing over into Carlsbad, and they're not really having any easterly component right now, so we don't anticipate any of those storms to push into our vicinity over the overnight hours. But we do look for the moisture to continue, meaning fog is going to be a major problem for the entire South Plains as we head into the overnight and early morning hours. As far as temperatures are concerned, not much to complain about. Check it out. We've got temps at 64 degrees in Amarillo, 66 right now in the hub. San Antonio, 86 degrees. And check out Laredo coming in at 94. We're looking really good, especially in our backyards. Those numbers are still in the 60s, low 70s just off towards the south. All in all, temps feeling very nice and comfortable all across the region. And when it comes to the temperatures, they look great, but do they feel as good as they really look? With the humidity values, Terry and I were just talking about it. Her hair gets flat as a board. Mine poofs out. So we've had a lot of bad hair days everywhere across the region, especially in the central and rolling plains. The humidity coming in 90% in Childress, 94 in Plainview, 87 in the hub. It has been years since we've been dealing with high humidity values such as these. The relative humidity is staying extremely high, meaning you've got a lot of moisture across the region, and you're going to see it in the form of fog as we push further into the overnight hours. Rainfall really not going to be a problem for us. We're going to continue to see that staying weather off towards our west over in New Mexico. We will be dealing with fog early tomorrow morning, and then we're going to clear out by tomorrow afternoon. Looking pretty nice, but we do have a slight chance of seeing some isolated showers and thunderstorms trying to push right along the Texas-New Mexico state line. Other than that, looking good until Saturday, where we could see a few isolated showers, but really it's not going to be nearly as widespread as what this particular model is pointing out. So just make sure you keep it in the back of your mind. We could see a few showers, but definitely not a widespread event like we have been dealing with over the past several days. But the heat will be a factor tomorrow. Check it out. We're getting down to 61 degrees for our low, 84 for the high tomorrow afternoon. So we're slowly but surely stepping those temperatures back up. And then we really hit some heat, getting 94 degrees on Saturday, where we could see a few isolated showers right along the Texas-New Mexico state line. 100 degrees by Sunday, where the sun's going to shine bright. We will have that southerly flow coming back into play. Then as we go further on into early next week, those temperatures will continue to go up, getting right around that triple-digit mark all across the South Plains. It is going to be downright hot, especially when you've been dealing with temperatures such as today in the low 70s, upper 60s all across the South Plains. So major difference, but what we really want to pay attention to, remember last night it was the threat of severe weather. Tonight and over into tomorrow is the low visibilities. Okay. Driving is going to be a hazard. Like Cone, if you're going towards Cone right now, they're still getting water off the roadways. Wow. It has been quite incredible. The event. So we've got water in the sky, water on the surface.
Water in the
air. It's going to cause some fog.
Yeah.
Drive with both hands and make sure you get the correct light zone.
That's true.